Gardening with Soule in the land of El Soule. Here's a pretty pink Parry's penstemon. I'm not going to say that 6 times fast, but the Parry's penstemon seeded themselves in here from just one little tiny packet of wildflower seed. And I'm kind of dipping around here because they're growing under a tree where they get a little extra shade. It's a perennial. It lasts many years. Sorry, they're under the tree where they get a little extra shade in the middle of the summer. And incidentally, that's where I planted that real pretty saguaro. He's a baby. I grew him from seed. Planted him in 1997. Excuse me, planted him in a pot in 1997. Planted him in the ground 3 years ago. And wish I had taken a before picture. Do that in your garden. Take a before picture, because he started out at about 6 inches tall. And in just a few years, look how nice and tall he is. So for a friend, I moved this barrel cactus that was in the way of putting in the fence around the rest of the garden. And together, they're growing under a nice acacia tree, the whitethorn acacia. And you can see, yep, I also have a hummingbird feeder there, and it's not full right now because I want to encourage them to eat the native nectar in the Parry's penstemon, which is going to be much more healthy for them than just plain old sugar water from me, because they're traces of protein and other minerals that they can get from nectar that they can't get from pollen. Excuse me, they can't get from sugar water. So I'm gonna see. There was the Parry's penstemon in the shade. See how they're back there in the shade under trees? Yeah, you go, oh, this one looks like he's in full sun. Not really, because in the afternoon when the sun slants in from the west, he gets shaded. So you can get seed, and the envelope will say full sun. Not in most of the Southwest, especially in the Sonoran Desert.